Okay, this is a review of Xiaomi Kingsmith walking pad. This is in the model A1 Pro. So this is just for walking. I understand that if you want to run, you have to choose another model, which is R1. So for this, I bought it at the price of $364 from Shopee Singapore. I believe that you can get it from Lazada as well as other platforms, maybe Gmarket, which is now Q10, I think. So I have been using this machine for about 2 years, and it more or less fulfills its basic function, which is to allow me to walk while working from home. So I'm going to demonstrate how I use this machine. So this is the portable mini remote control that comes with it. So just by clicking the button here, I am able to start walking. Okay, so you can walk at any speed that you want. You just need to, make it faster or slower based on your personal preference. Usually I walk at 5 km/h. If I wear my running shoes, which means that I will be on the walking pad for a prolonged period of time. But sometimes if I am barefooted and just want to clock in some steps, right, then I will usually walk at a pace of say 3. Yeah, so that it doesn't really hurt my soles. But I think it's really based on your personal preference. So as you see here, if you are not already wearing a smartwatch, right, what you can do is to rely on the steps on the counter here as well as the distance that you have clocked. It may not totally be very reliable because I see there is a difference as compared to what my smartwatch clocks from time to time, but I think in general it's quite okay. So for me, as somebody who's working from home, I find that this definitely helps me to walk more, to walk in front of the TV, to clock maybe I think 7K and above. I'm not able to clock 10K for now, but of course that's up to personal discipline. Yeah, so if this machine is able to last for say 3 years, then I would say that it's definitely very value for money, and I'll definitely recommend it. And later on I will demonstrate how to move this around. One of the factors that drew me to this walking pad is that it is marketed to be pretty portable, in a sense that you can actually lift this part up, and you can see there is a mechanism here, and fold it such that you can lift and push it to other parts of the house, and that's because there are 2 wheels attached to the front of the machine. So for someone like me, about 160 cm, 49 kg, I personally encounter some difficulty in lifting it at first, but after some effort I managed to do it. But I think if you are similar size to me, I would say that you may want to consider that it's not a very light machine, so you probably shouldn't be anticipating moving it around a lot, for example throughout the day, but rather there should be a place where it's fixed, and let's say one day you want to move it to another place, you also don't have to worry because you are most likely able to manage yourself after putting in some effort. So that's my input to that.